I'm Dr. Rosalind George from Wilmington Dermatology Center in Wilmington, North Carolina, and I'd like to give you some tips on finding a dermatologist. The best advice I can give for what to look for in a dermatologist is to make sure that they're board certified. And you're able to find that through both the American Academy of Dermatology as well as the American Osteopathic College of Dermatology to make sure that your physician is board certified. The other thing is that most states have websites for their medical board where you can search to make sure that they don't have any litigation pending and that they haven't had any problems with their licensure. The other thing is ask your family doctors for referrals and also friends who've been there to make sure that that dermatologist is on the same page as you. Dermatologists can specialize in many things. You can have a dermatologist that likes pediatrics, you can have a dermatologist that only does skin cancer, and you can have a dermatologist that only does cosmetics. And so you want to find somebody who is right for you. Also search the web. There's a lot of information on the web, surveys from other patients, reviews about that doctor, and you can get a lot of information from their websites as well. Board certified basically means that you've completed a residency program. In dermatology, that residency program is 3 years, and that you have sat for a test where you are tested in what you have learned during that residency. In addition to that, you have continuing education over those years. So every 10 years you have to be recertified. So every year you need to be doing continuing education, and you basically need to log that every year so that your board is keeping track of you maintaining your certification. What is also tricky is that people think that places like med spas and people that just say they're a skin clinic, those are not necessarily people that have the same training as a dermatologist does. So you need to make sure that you're seeing somebody who specializes in skin. Another good tip also is to make sure, if you're going to have a procedure with somebody, to ask them how many of those procedures have they performed, and can you see before and after pictures to make sure that they have results that you're looking for. That's some basic information, but before you start any skincare regimen or have any procedures, make sure to consult with your skincare specialist or dermatologist.